It's that time of year again. The time when I decide to grow peppers so hot they could literally kill me. It all starts with a bag of potting mix. As I empty the bag's contents, I realize what a fool I am. Each cell in this tray needs to be filled with soil in order to fill the pepper-sized holes in my heart. I pat the tray to settle the soil, but this is a dumb idea because it just falls through the bottom. This next piece is extremely important for pepper germination. It is a heat mat. Grow a variety of seeds anywhere in the home. Heat accelerator helps increase germination and propagation by up to 40%. When I take the mat out of the box, it's going to curl up like an armadillo and make life difficult. This doesn't matter though, because I'm going to weigh it down with the seed tray, and once it heats up, it'll be nice and flat. Okay, so now what I've got is a 72 cell seed tray under my grow light, filled with potting mix, and sitting on top of a heating mat. The next step is going to be to hydrate the mix. To do this, I pour some lukewarm water into the tray. This will be wicked up by the soil, providing a moist environment for the seeds to sprout. Now it's time for a midnight snack. Just kidding. I put my Superhot pepper seeds in the fridge for 3 days before planting. This is supposed to simulate the season change from winter to spring, which will hopefully help germination. Now I'm gonna make some tea. This is my secret weapon for crazy pepper germination. I'm using orange pico, but any type of black tea should work. Since tea is acidic, it softens the seed shell, allowing the seed to germinate easier. Just look at all that spillage. Clearly, I shouldn't be in the beverage serving industry. Okay, once the tea has cooled down a bit, it's time to add the seeds. I stir them in to ensure they get submerged. After 30 minutes of soaking, it's time to filter the seeds out of the tea. I recommend using a fine strainer or coffee filter for this, but I didn't have that, so I had to improvise. Finally, it's time to plant. I make a shallow hole with a pencil and drop in a couple of seeds. Be careful not to bury your seeds too deep. Now it's super important to label what you have planted. I'm being cheap and cutting labels out of a juice carton. Get creative. This year I'm growing ghost peppers, hot pepper lantern habaneros, Carolina Reapers, and chocolate hops. Although I already bottom watered, I'm gonna mist the tray just to ensure the top of the soil is moist. The last step is to insert a temperature probe into the soil and cover the tray with a humidity dome. I did get germination after only 7 days, but I thought I'd wait a little longer and show you guys how I transplant my peppers. Okay, let's take this lid off. Look at all that germination action. After transplanting, the peppers are clearly in shock, but I'm confident that given a little time, they'll bounce back. I'm going to take them out of the light for the night to help them recover. Less than 3 weeks later, these future flamethrowers are doing fantastic. They're green, healthy, and I have no doubt they'll produce a bumper crop of Superhot peppers later this season. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and stick around because I've got big plans for this season. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.